Hi, it's John. On day 39 of my walk all the way from Paris, I walked from Saintes to Pons. Here's my route, and Pons is close to Bordeaux, more than 600 kilometers from where I started. Pons had a nice sculpture of medieval pilgrims at its traffic circle, and I was following the old pilgrim route coming in from Saintes. There were towers and a really imposing donjon in the center of the little town. I stayed here at the town's gîte right next door to the medieval pilgrims' hospital at the edge of town. When you walk through the gate to leave Pons, there is a sign on the wall, and it really got to me. Here it comes. It reads, Vers la lumière, towards the light. And that was what I thought the medieval pilgrims were trying to do so many centuries ago, and what modern-day pilgrims aspire to on their own journeys from Paris to Bordeaux and on to Spain. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye from Pons. Up next, Blé and the Bordeaux vineyards.